Debit cards have become super important in our lives, but let's talk about how they started. Debit card started in 1966 when the Bank of America introduced the first Bank Americard. This card allowed holders to make purchases directly from their bank accounts without the need for cash. Later, in 1970, Bank Americard was renamed Visa, which is now one of the biggest debit card brands in the world. MasterCard came into existence as a response to Bank Americard, which eventually became Visa. Using a debit card like Blue Debit MasterCard switching is convenient because it's accepted globally. This means you can use it for your daily payments, not just in your home country, but in various places around the world. Using a debit card for daily payments is quite simple. First, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your bank account. Next, go to the nearest store or merchant that accepts your debit card from your bank. After that, choose your shopping items. When you want to pay, go to the cashier and let the cashier scan your things. After that, ask the cashier if they accept debit card or not. If they accept, give your debit card and the cashier will input your debit card information. It is important to keep in mind that every store or merchant may have its own terms and conditions for using a debit card. The cashier will insert the debit card into the electronic data capture or ADC machine. The ADC will ask you to enter your personal PIN. The transaction will be processed instantly and the funds will be deducted directly from your account. Using a debit card is easy, but it has some risk. Keep your PIN secret, don't share card details, and check transactions to avoid fraud. Stay secure and enjoy the convenience of your debit card. I'm Dharma Prya, number 16 from class 1010. Happy shopping, goodbye.